My name's Nissa Finney and I work at the University of St Andrews in the Department of Geography and Sustainable Development. And my job is to teach and also to do research. And that research is about how populations are changing, including how Britain is changing its population. And there's been massive changes in the population over recent decades. For example, the size of the population has increased from 57 million in the early 1990s to 65 million people living in the UK today. And another aspect of the population change in Britain is in terms of diversity. So how is our country made up of people from different origins, different races, different ethnicities? And this has changed massively. At the early 2000s, the number of people in minority ethnic groups was about 1 in 10 of the population. By the early 2010s, 2011, this was 20% or 1 in 5 of the population from an ethnic minority group. And we can also think about this in terms of households. So today, 1 in 8 households, so picture that, 1 in 8 houses along a street has people in it who come from different ethnic groups from each other. And this is important to know about because it informs service provision. We need to be able to provide for different needs of the populations in terms of healthcare, in terms of education. So questions that we're interested in thinking about are, how is the population going to change in the future in terms of size, in terms of diversity? How are we going to measure this? And what might this mean for service provision?